Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Joany. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you guys are notified every time that I upload, even though I haven't uploaded in literally like over a month. But but if you guys haven't already seen for today's video, I'm not in my usual like setup, like how I record. I'm in my Jeep. I'm kind of running errands and just shopping around, you know, last minute gift shopping and for myself too. But I got in a package today from Chanel. If you guys haven't already seen by the title, I'm doing a true unboxing, so I'm barely seeing this also as I'm gonna be showing you guys. And I ordered the cheapest things from Chanel and I'm kind of excited just to see how it came packaged and just the way it is, so that's kind of a little funny to me. But yeah, so today's video might be just a little short and that's pretty much it. So I kind of already opened just like the flap part of this, but yeah, that's the only thing I've unboxed so far, and then I'm gonna be showing you what's on the inside. So as soon as I opened the box, the very first thing that I see on the top is the Chanel envelope, and in here I think it's just the receipt. Yeah, it does have the receipt. It comes with this little card and I don't know, QR code to scan, and then the shipping return label in case you want to return it. So let me just move this out of the way. And then, ooh, it looks very pretty. So I did see that on the website that for now, for the holidays, if you ordered, they're giving you the box with the like holiday gift ribbon. So that's the way that it looks. It's very pretty. So let me just open that part up and then I'll show you what's on the inside. So as soon as I open it up, you do see like the little sealed part from the wrapping paper of what they put on the inside. So as soon as I take that off, the first thing I see is this little cute Chanel envelope, and I wrote a little letter to myself. I wrote a little letter to myself because it's like I guess a gift message. So I was just bored and kind of wanted to put something, so I put a little love yourself notes, period. As soon as I open it, I do see like the box, and I don't like that they put this, but oh well. So I think this is the cotton one. Let me take this one out. So the cheapest thing that I saw on the website to order was their cotton pads, like kind of just to like remove your makeup, and these retailed for $20. What? And it comes with 100 pieces, so it does come with the plastic on. Let me take off the plastic. Okay, so as soon as I take off the plastic, you're able to push like this part out, more plastic, and then as this one has a little plastic thing sticker on it. What's this? Has like another tissue paper on top, and so it's just cotton. And it looks so cute. It's just oh, that's thick. I thought they were thin. Oh damn. Okay, so that's the way it looks. It has the, excuse my nails, I need to get them done. It has like the Chanel logo. I'm not sure if you're able to see it.
Nope.
I don't know. It has a Chanel logo on there and it's very thick. I thought it was gonna be very thin. And you're probably thinking like, who the hell orders cotton for 20 bucks? But you can get like, honestly, some of these like from what, Walmart for like $1 or $2. But they're very thick and they're very pretty. They're not bad, but for 20 bucks. So that's the way that they look. And then, so when I take off my makeup tonight, I'm gonna take it off in luxury, period. Okay, so whatever. And then I ordered some other things, so that was the cheapest that I found. I think like the next cheapest item was $25 if I'm not wrong, and I think it was like nail polish, but I normally don't wear nail polish. I like to get them done and use acrylic because nail polish won't last on me. But yeah, this was the cheapest one, so the cotton, so it's kind of funny, but whatever. So I just wanted to order it. And then I ordered well, I was just on the website. I just kind of wanted to see what else they had. So I ordered this mirror double, I can't even face it. I don't even know. It's called the double mirror and it looks like this. So normally like in my purse, I like to carry a mirror with me, and I usually bring the one that's like a powder, it's for my powder makeup, but sometimes I get scared because I don't like to stain my bags from the inside. So I ordered this this mirror. Ooh, it comes in a little patch. It's kind of like, what's this material? Like satin velvet? No, it's velvet. Like, yeah, not satin. So it's like a velvet cover. And it comes in here. Ooh, okay. So it has the Chanel logo in the front like that. And then once you open it, ooh, period. So as soon as you open it up, you're able to see, there's two parts of it. So this one's like I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like the one that's super closer to your face, and this one's just like regular. And I like it because I know that I'm gonna be able to carry this one in my purse. And this one retailed for, let me check. So I'm just gonna check how much this one retailed for. I don't remember. Okay, so this one retailed for $42. Like $42 just for a mirror, but it's Chanel, so why not? But I think it'll be worth it. And I like that it comes with this little pouch, that way it doesn't also scratch like the interior part of your bag. And I like how small and compact it is because you're able to carry it anywhere. So this is like usually my everyday bag. I carry the little Louis one, so I'm pretty sure it will fit here. And I like how it's tiny and it won't take up too much space, so it fits perfectly in here. Ooh, so I like that. So I like that I'm able to carry it in here because it's not going to stay in my bag, and it has the cover, so I like that it comes with that, so I won't have to worry about it. And then also what it came with is this little cute Chanel little baggie. So in here, I believe the 2 samples. So you do get, when I ordered on the website, you do get 2 free samples that you get to choose from, and I chose 2 fragrances. So I'm bad at pronouncing things, but this is the first fragrance that I have. So that's the first one, and it's really cute and tiny. And then the second one that comes in here is this one. Okay, so this one actually came off. That's the name of it. Like I said, I'm bad pronouncing things, but that's the way it's called. And then it's this tiny, so it's super cute. But I like that I'm able to carry this in my bag. Pretty much it that came included in the package. So you do get if you decide to order the cotton pads for 20 bucks, this is the way they look. So, and I like that it has the cute little Chanel logo on it, and they are very thick, so I'm kind of like surprised. I'm pretty sure they'll work just as fine as any regular other cotton pads. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I know a lot of people, I saw this on TikTok as well, how a lot of people are ordering it just because it's 20 bucks, but a lot of people are ordering because they want to keep like the packaging. So I mean, don't get me wrong, the packaging is cute. I just don't kind of like how they included this stuff on it. I don't know, it's like, I don't know, I don't like it. But the box overall, or like the packaging, did come kind of cute. So I like how they included, because of the holidays, they included the ribbon. So if I put it back to how it was, it looks like this. So I guess people were just ordering for like the aesthetic. I mean, it's very cute, and who orders cotton pads for 20 bucks? I guess I ordered 20 bucks worth for cotton pads. But I can't wait to use them. They look very soft and they're kind of thick, so that's pretty cool. Okay guys, so I think that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. So I kind of just wanted to see how the packaging was gonna come in. And yeah guys, so do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and turning on your post notifications, that way you guys are notified when I upload. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.